Hey, what's up everyone? So today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna throw these ribeyes on my smoker. I'm gonna show you a few steps on how to get them ready and get them on that smoker. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these ribeyes out of the packaging. You wanna take your steaks out at least 30 minutes before you throw them on your grill or smoker. So I did do that. Next thing here you can see is I got some olive oil, just plain Jane olive oil, nothing fancy. I did pick this up at Walmart for a few bucks. Just put a little bit on the steak there, just kind of rub it in. That's going to help the seasoning stick on these steaks. So I'll just rub it in, and next I'll grab my seasoning. And the seasoning here you can see I'm going to use today, it's called Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. That stuff is amazing. I found it again at Walmart. Funny, Walmart's just down the street, so I just happened to pop in there, and in their gardening section where they have all their outdoor grilling stuff, that's where I found that steakhouse seasoning. That stuff's amazing. So sprinkled it on. Next thing you can see there, I'm patting it. Make sure it's covering the entire steak. All right, looks pretty good. I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. You can see there when I picked up the steak, none of that seasoning falls off. That oil keeps it kind of like glue. It sticks it together, and then same thing. It helps when you throw it on the grill. It kind of helps it from not sticking onto your grill. So just rub it in there. Nice little coat. You don't want to overdo it, because then you'll have greasy, oily steaks. So let me clean up my hands real quick so I can grab my seasoning. And then just make sure you guys are washing your hands. As you heard my daughter say, if you don't wash your hands, you're gonna get sick, Dad. So just make sure that you're spending that 20 seconds to clean your hands and make sure you wash them. All right, so now I'm gonna sprinkle this seasoning on this side. Again, nice coat, cover them. All right, so next step here is I'm gonna throw them on the grill. I already threw them on, just because you can see there, I'm cooking a few more items. I will post a few more videos of those jalapeno poppers and then my famous potato pockets. But I have my grill set at 450 degrees. I like my steaks about medium, so I cook them for about 8 minutes. And then you can see here, after 8 minutes, I'll flip them. Let them cook on the other side. Same thing, I'll do another 8 minutes. So total cook time is 16 minutes total. All right, I'm gonna stick my thermometer in, and the temperature I'm looking for is 155. That's for a medium steak. Rare, 130 to 135. If you like a medium rare, you're looking at about 140. And then if you like your hockey pucks, well done at 165. All right, so my steaks are done. Earlier on the thermometer, it was at 158.9, so perfect temperature. I'm gonna take them off the grill, and I'm gonna let them rest for about 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna cut into it so you can see what it looks like inside. So not too much of a medium, it's more like a medium well. But hey, works for me. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.
Give me a thumbs up and subscribe button.